Hey guys, my name's Alina, and for anyone that follows my channel, you might have been wondering where the heck I've been lately. Some of you may know that I was a flight attendant for 3 years, and I absolutely loved my job. And then COVID hit, and I didn't really love it anymore. But I made my way back to YouTube, and I was really happy to find you guys again. At least for one day a week. But I started getting really sad when I had to leave home, and then I was sad all the time at work, and I really lost motivation for editing videos at night in my hotel room. And then I was sad even when I was home, and I realized I needed a change. Luckily, my friend and coworker Kaylee needed a huge change too, and so we put together a plan. We went ahead and packed up our homes, and we made the drive from Idaho to California. And I would love to say that it went as smoothly as this, but realistically, it was a little more like this, and my van broke down. But that was okay because we made it to California, and I even got my van fixed, and then it set on fire. But that was okay because I found a vehicle that I loved, even if I didn't love the price tag. But everything was all right because I was finally at my dream job, and I pictured just being creative and happy every single day, and every day it was a little creative, but it wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, and each day started kind of feeling the same, and I was less and less happy there, and I really wasn't being creative at all. It got to where I was just tired and unmotivated at night, and now it's a little scary, but I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing next. What I do know is I'm happiest when I'm here on YouTube sharing my passion and my art with you guys. And I don't really have it all figured out, but that's okay. I'm going to look into things like Patreon and some other stuff. And I'll be honest, I don't really have any idea what I'm doing, but I do invite you along on my journey to watch each day as I try to make my dreams a reality and see what I can do with it. And don't worry, I'll figure it out.